Hello and welcome to Ngwapela. That's the name of the channel. This is my first YouTube appearance. I've never done this before. So, welcome and thank you for joining me. My name is Ihuoma. I am Igbo from Nigeria, southeastern Nigeria, and I like to sing. That doesn't mean that I'm a musician or anything like that. I just love to sing. And I was born into a family of people who like to sing, both in my extended and my immediate family, and I'm also Christian. I was raised as a Seventh-day Adventist Christian, so if you know anything about Seventh-day Adventist Christians, they tend to sing a lot as well. So I have a strong musical background, but again, I do not claim to be a musician. But anyway, the reason for this channel is because I like to play around and write songs or rearrange songs, and through the assistance of technology, GarageBand, shout out to Apple for GarageBand, I've been able to rearrange some songs, and I shared it with my family, and they were like, you should put this on a video online on YouTube. So that's basically what this channel is for. So I'm going to be singing some songs that are in my language, Igbo, that is my native language, and Ngwa is my dialect of the Igbo language. And in addition to that, I might sing some English songs that I either write or rearrange, just because I enjoy doing it. So, I also have to give a disclaimer that when I sing the bass, it is from the assistance of GarageBand. My voice is not that low. I've been blessed with a wide range when it comes to my voice, but not that low. So I just enjoy doing this, and I hope you enjoy listening to it. And the song for today is called Okoko Ohia, which basically means the flowers in the forest. And basically the song says the flowers in the forest are declaring the glory of God, and basically all creation is declaring the glory of God. The glory of God fills the entire earth, and He is the great creator, the only and the greatest creator. So I hope that you guys enjoy it, and I pray that you are blessed. Bye. Thank you for watching.
Okoko Ohia, netiwa, negosi.